With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is let A, B, C are three vectors of which every pair is non-collinear and the vector A plus 3B and 2B plus C are collinear with C and A respectively. If B and B vector is equals to A, then find magnitude of 2A plus 3B 3C vector. So we have to find 2A plus 3C vector magnitude here. So the solution of this question is, we have given that we have to find 2A vector plus 3C vector magnitude here, and we have given here B vector into B vector is equals to 1. So this is given to us, and we have, if A vector and B vector are non-collinear, it means they are A vector and B vector are collinear, are non-collinear, so they are must be linearly independent. So we can write this as alpha A vector plus beta B vector is equals to 0 here. So these are linearly independent. Here, and we can write here alpha and beta. Alpha is equals to beta here, and this is equals to 0 here. So we can write x into B vector plus y into C vector is equals to 0 here. So from here we can write, from this we can write x plus y must be equals to 0 here. So A and B are linearly independent, so we get this, and this must be equal if A vector and B vector is equals to. So from here, if A vector plus 3B vector are collinear with C vector, so we can write here A vector and their cross product must be equals to 0. So we can write here this must be equals to 0. So from here we can write this will become A vector plus 3B vector into C vector is equals to 0. So from here we can write A vector plus 3B vector can equals to lambda C vector. It is lambda is some constant here, and we can write here A plus 3B is collinear with C and 2B plus C vector is collinear with A, and so we can write here 2B vector plus C vector is collinear with A vector here. So we can write this will equals to 2B vector plus C vector is equals to mu A vector here. So let us suppose this is our equation 1 here and this is our equations 2 here. So on solving 1 and 2, we can multiply 1 by 2. So multiply equation 1 by 2 here and equation 2 by 3 here. So this is our equation 1 and equation 2 here. So we can write this as, so our equation will become 1 will become 2A vector plus 6B vector is equals to 2 lambda C vector here. So this is equation 3rd here, and we can write here 3 into 2 is 6 vector, 3 into 2 is 6B vector plus 3C vector, and here is 3C vector. So we can write here 3C vector is equals to 3 mu A vector here. So we can write here 2A vector. On solving this, we get 2A vector, subtract this. So we get 2A plus 6B vector minus this is 6B vector here minus 6b vector minus 3c vector, and this is equals to 2 lambda c vector minus 3 mu a vector here. So this and this will be cancelled out here. So we get 2a vector plus, so we can write this as 2a vector plus this will become positive here 3 mu a vector, and here we get 2 lambda c vector plus 3 c vector is equals to, so from here we can take a vector common, so we can write here 2 plus 3 mu is equals to c vector, taking c vector common, so we get 2 lambda plus 3 here, so we can write here 2 plus 3 mu into a vector minus 2 lambda plus 3 into c vector must be equals to 0, and we have given that a, b, c are vector that are non-collinear here. So from here we can write 2 plus 3 mu vector is equals to 0, or either 2 lambda plus 3 into this will equals to 0 here. So from here we get lambda is equals to, from this we can write lambda is equals to minus 3 by 2 and mu is equals to minus 2 divided by 3 here. So a plus b, so we have to find the magnitude of 2a plus 3c vector. So we can write here a plus 3b vector is equals to lambda c vector. So from here we get, a plus 3b vector is equals to lambda, that is minus 3 by 2 into c vector here. So from here we can write here, multiply this with 2, so we get 2a vector plus 6b vector is equals to minus 3c vector here. So we have to calculate, so we can write from here 2a vector plus 3c vector is equals to 6b vector here. So we have to calculate here 2a vector plus 3c vector magnitude. So this is, so we can write here 2a vector plus 3c vector magnitude is equals to 6b magnitude here. So we have given here b into b is 1, so magnitude of b is 1 here. So from here we can multiply it with 1, so 6. So from here we can say that 2a plus 3c vector is equals to 6. So this is our answer here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.